Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, the first I want to introduce myself. My name is Urtin Intan Sari. You can call me Intan. Right now I want to presentation. I want to make video presentation from my segment. Um, giving information about art performance. In this video, I want to share for you. I chose one culture history in Tomia, especially in my village, um, because this very unique. Um, so I want to so I will discuss a little history about Eja dance. I chose culture about dance. Um, maybe you can see in the picture. This is dance. The name is Eja, and for the origin, the name is Eja or Sajamuane. Alright. For the origins, the Sajamuane dance is believed to originate from the old tradition of the Bajo people in Wakatobi, especially in Tomia, a coastal tribe living on the Wakatobi Island, including Tomia Island. The Bajo people are renowned as skilled sailor and fishermen, and this dance is believed to have been created as an expression of joy and together among sailors after returning from a long sea voyages. And then in Tomia, the dance, the name is Sajomuane or Eja dance, has a deep meaning for the local community. Apart from uh, apart from being entertainment, this dance is also used in various traditional ceremonies such as weddings, welcome important guests. You can see this picture. Uh, this is um, this is like performance welcoming important guests, and then all cultural festival like this picture and this and this dance also has a social function in strengthening this between community members and maintaining their culture identity. Maybe I think just enough. I will give you little information about um Eja Eja dance, Eja Eja culture. Sorry, um about the culture dance in Tomia, and the name is Eja Eja or Sajomuane. And this dance, um, they they make just for a boy, not for woman, because uh, they believe um, the boy is gentleman not uh, and not for woman used for the dance. I think just enough. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.